so today I've probably been just like doing a lot of videos just all about just very different kind of videos, but today I'm gonna show you guys, well, my cousin right here is gonna be showing us how to do a Jamaican black cake. Now, so I know some of you guys might be like, yo, you might not like black cake because of whatever, but the way how she does it, I can guarantee you, one of the best. You know, sometimes like when you come on to Christmas time and people like you bite the cake and you chew on it type of something like that. Not this a cake, that cake, describe the cake, let him know how to.
So, you don't taste the fruits whole.
That's good.
Which I like, because I really puree them to the maximum. And I like when you eat it and my bites rock stone.
yo, I hate that. But
anyways, so of course it's tradition that we have our fruit soaking for years or months. But with the ingredients that I use,
how long this one's been soaking for?
This one is probably just like a month ago.
A month?
And then I added some to it like last week. Today's on Monday. Yeah, I added some to it last week Monday, like 8 days ago. But the taste still comes through. Like I said, it depends on the ingredients you use, and of course, if you cook the fruits, then definitely the flavor will still be there, right? So we are going to actually. I have to make this cake for Saturday. I'm going to ice it with royal icing and everything. So we're gonna actually prep the fruits from tonight because I want to make the cake tomorrow.
All right, so but before we even get to that, because I know that your cake has been doing like really well and people have been buying the cake. Like if someone wanted to get a cake done like here from New Jersey or ship it to New York or wherever, like what would be the cost?
So the size is I actually charge $10 a pound. So I have like a 4-pound cake, which is $40. I have and a 12-pound, which is a very big cake, and that's $120. But
that's good though.
So anyways, I'm not sure as to what the ship is. I've never shipped it any before, but I sell them locally for Christmas.
Yeah. And
typically it's the $40 cake that I sell. And you'll be surprised how a lot of international folks, like Filipinos, a lot of people always buying it. It's crazy. I never thought that they would try the cake, but it tastes really good to them. You know, I'm not trying to, you know, but I can reach.
And the best part is that you've been improving it like every single year.
Every single year, I think I do better. I find better like stuff and whatever. But this is the typical red label wine and white rum that we use. However, when I blend it, I use something different, which is port wine.
Okay.
Ruby port, the sweet one, not the tangy ones or the tawny or anything. So. Alright, so you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Let's go. So for the cake, that's what I want to make, or which I would call one batter. One batter would give me 2 8-pound cakes. Or one big 10 each, which is the size I want for the party. So that's like 1 pound of flour, 1 pound of butter, etc. I usually use like 6 cups of blended fruit. A lot of fruit. It's not gonna come out puddingy, and sure as hell won't come out cakey. You know that in between texture there?
That's what
which I know you're gonna see like after we cut it on Saturday, right? After Mr. Ibi doing things. So anyway, so what I do is I get my measuring thing here. Just a blender, not a food processor, nothing extra.
Yeah, most people don't have a food processor, so that's the good part about it.
Now, if you want to zoom in on how they're swollen.
So they absorb like all.
They had absorbed some, at least most of the red label wine.
Because normally raisins are like small and dry.
Yeah, so about this cup full. So if you notice now, like of course there's no liquid in there.
Okay.
So I'm gonna add some, and I don't usually use this one, but this is what I have on hand and I'm using it. This Fairbanks Ruby Port, like I said, is a more sweeter wine than regular port wine, honey port or whatever.
I can smell that from here.
I only use, honestly, I don't like mixed peel. That's why you don't see the little orange or green or red something.
Yeah.
I'm more like a raisin and a currant person.
Okay.
So that's why it just look like that. I'm gonna chop it. And I wait until the blender like, oh, there you go, like that. And then I transfer it to a pot because I'm going to cook it.
So you just wanted to get like one good spin, consistent spin, and then. Okay.
That's to take the puree. So this is why you won't really bite into any fruit.
That's good. That's good.
Yeah. Or any rock stone.
Trust me, I used to hate that.
Sometimes when they package the fruit and package it with the rock stone and whatever. So and like I said, for this cake I'm only using probably like 6 cups.
Okay.
That's probably like a cup and a half. You know what I'm saying? I never measure it a while ago.
How many pounds this cake is gonna be?
The 10-inch, you know how to measure it, but I think it's probably like 8 pounds or something.
Okay.
Yeah, I probably have to measure it though because I barely make it.
Okay.
And like I said, just hook that up like that. Another thing I do with this is the blender struggle, you know, enough time to use it. Now, some people love feeling the fruits. So if I know I'm making it for somebody and say, boy, they want to taste the fruits, then we'll just probably drop in 2 cups of the fruits in it.
Okay.
In the batter, so that it whatever. So you see this now, like, oh, this is a little bit watery. So what I will do is nutmeg. This other set of water.
Oh, so if you pretty much like give it a nice balance, so the person knows it's.
Want it thick.
Yeah.
And that's I think this is like the best.
Take careful.
Go cut yours. Right?
I think that was funny. I'm keeping that.
Alright, so you see the red label, that's evil.
Oh, it smells so rich.
So this one now, I might not put so much in it. Of course I need ingredients and stuff.
So guys, this video is not going to be like one of those like really short or choppy videos. It's going to be like a full-on walkthrough.
You have to. So this, I'm going to measure how much that. But this is what I usually do. This like 2 weeks. This whole blending part. Okay. 2 weeks before I actually use it.
Why? What's the purpose of it?
I'm going to season it up. I make the season sit on in it. Like some good.
So,
and then now after seasoning up for it sits for 2 weeks like this with the seasoning, then I cook it. But because I want to bake tomorrow.
So I have a question, like how over the years doing this, like how did you know like yo, I'm gonna make it season up like chicken back before like
okay, you know what? I want to tell you something. One day, I set me up for bake tomorrow. So I'm season up the fruits and put it down. Go work in the night, come home tired. The next day go work, come home tired, come home tired for about 6 days straight. And then I made the cake and the flavor was like
banging.
So I said, you know what? Let me just, it's like a mistake. You ever make a mistake in our life? Yeah,
most of the best things are mistakes.
So, you know, so I'm telling you now, this cake the first time I tried it, I'm gonna cut it just like soup. No. The first time it come in like total, my sister asked me for a piece of cheese. I said, I'm not trying it again. And I did it again. And when it's in the oven for like a very popular food company, they have the recipe on their site. And it's in the oven for like 3 hours. And I take it out, cut it. You know, like mud lava cake.
Yeah.
Everything just run out.
So
So no, so I'm not this again. The third time.
So the question that I have to ask you, because like, as you know, I remember when we were like teenagers and stuff, like Auntie Vala, which is your mom, used to buy cakes like these from a particular woman, and now you've pretty much perfected the recipe, or you're continuously improving it. Why share it with us? Well, for me personally, I know I'm gonna keep it as a family recipe. It's gonna always be on YouTube, but
well, part of it was shared to me, you know, and then I go on YouTube and found some of the people use this use port wine, which was something I never knew, because we just use our red label and white and what name? Rare nephew.
Yeah.
So part of that was, you know, like after googling and searching and never finding what I want, I say, you know, whenever I perfect it, I have no problem, you know, because then I make my bands in Christmas time,
yeah,
so I share it, because you know, I know sometimes I see some of them, I don't know,
I agree.
People enjoy the taste or whatever.
That's the best thing about with YouTube. Like, people are not afraid to like share their stuff.
Yeah.
And the funny thing is, sometimes when they try to, like, I don't know for you guys who are Jamaicans, you realize like when your granny cooks something, no matter how you try the same recipe, you can't taste the same way. Like,
no.
the hand different.
Grandma never measure nothing.
Exactly, that's true.
But grandma use her finger flip chicken. So, yeah, so how that not burn you?
Yeah, that's true.
So I'm basically right now just trying to measure that I have at least 6 or 5 cups. The more you use, to be honest, the nicer and richer the cake is.
Cool.
The more cup of fruits. So yeah, I have about 5. See, this is the 5th one. That's 4. Yeah, this is fine. So I don't need any more. So no.
So let me ask you a question. Like, I'm just thinking about the flavors that's in it. Have you ever thought of like doing it with not the regular firm ice thing, but maybe like with the cream cheese, like a layer type of cake?
No, because traditionally, like country, we call it country wedding cake.
Yeah.
It's the royal icing on this.
Okay.
So, it's my son's birthday party. He's 1. You know, he's not gonna have this cake.
Yeah.
But the adults, they
are gonna like it.
Yeah, they like it. So I said I'm making it. So, anyways, the next part is seasoning. Now this is mixed essence. It's not. It's from what name Spanish place them? I don't even know. No, actually from Barbados. That's awesome. So it's a blend of vanilla with banana flavor, pear flavor, lemon flavor, almond essence in it, everything. So instead of just use vanilla, I use this. I imagine this in the cake for 2 weeks. So just pour till my ancestor says stop. And then, courtesy of your vlogger here, he brought this for me from Jamaica, the mixed spice for baking. It's a combination of cinnamon, pimento, nutmeg. So instead of pouring the 3 different ones, I just use this. You smell the mixed essence?
Yeah.
It smells better than the vanilla alone.
Yeah.
Right?
Guys, honestly, guys, I wish you guys could smell this. It has such a wow.
And then this too, till them say stop.
I feel you.
I mean, you just want your cake taste good. All right.
I feel you.
So now, so the reason I'm cooking the fruit is cooked fruits eliminate the amount of time the cake stays in the oven. The longer the cake stays, the harder it gets. Right? When you cook your fruit, your cake don't have to stay long in the oven. And I actually use a low oven like 275 for about 3 hours. So and your pan make a difference. So some of the pan they make a cake and blow up big and bust.
True.
So I got like professional pan. It wasn't bad. It's $10 that prevent that. So they just stay level and flat. No, they're rising up, but I'm just, you know.
Yeah.
So.
Cause this cake in particular generally is more of a denser cake.
Yeah.
But
so,
yeah.
If you pour 3/4 way full to the the top of the pan, it's going to be 3/4 size. It don't raise, you know, it don't rise like a regular cake would.
Okay.
Regardless of it being the same butter, sugar, flour, eggs.
Cool. So
that mix that in now. I'm going to actually now, you know, you're cooking meat or going back to the chicken back. Anything you cook, you need water to cook it.
That's true.
So I actually add a little bit of water, which I know this might look yucky, but you want to get everything out.
Yeah.
Not too much, just enough, so that the fruits don't burn on the stove.
Okay.
No, if I'm not icing this cake, sometimes I put a little bit of brown sugar in this, and then I make this cook with a medium heat until it start bubble. And it start bubble, I turn it down to low for 15 minutes. Okay. I always do this, like I said, I do the seasoning part I do like the night before. I mean, no, 2 weeks before. But the cooking I did the night before. Do not cook your fruits and then put in the cake. You go turn it on one soup. No, you go use 3 bags of flour to try to get it back together. Yeah. And you go end up with dumpling. So cook it the night before so they can completely cool before you put it in the your cake, your batter. Cool. Right? The cake is like back in the day, they used to say, boy, only certain people can make it. It's that technique, but when you see when we actually get to that point and you see how easy and quick it is, especially if you have a professional mixer. Yeah. If you ever beat it with a wooden if you ever beat it with a wooden spoon, that's our next story. My mother used to make my sister do it. But that's why we're born early. Yeah, it's true. So anyway, I'll leave this to cook, and tomorrow we'll be back with the simple ingredients. Let me tell you, 1 pound of flour, get the ingredients together. 1 pound of flour, 1 pound of brown sugar, 1 dozen eggs, 1 pound of butter, and this. And that's pretty much it. That's it. Alright guys, so it's bubbling now. So like once I see more, you know, because the water is there, it's fine. Once I see more bubbling, then I just turn it down to low. And let it cook for 15 minutes on low. Cool. That's it. Pretty much so. This guys, this is like super important, because what persons don't know is like when you watch a video, like a 5-minute video, they say do this, do that. Like if you don't know why, like what's the reason behind, trust me, so like watching a video like this is very informative. But we're gonna be back tomorrow to finish it up.